Hello everyone. Are you wondering what smash or pass means? Let's explore. Smash or pass is a trend where participants rate others based on whether they would hypothetically be interested in dating them, smash, or not, pass. This trend often appears in social media challenges, videos, or posts where people react to pictures or descriptions of others, making quick judgments on their attractiveness or appeal. The phrase is a reflection of the superficial nature of some online interactions, where appearance and first impressions are often prioritized. While smash or pass is meant to be lighthearted or entertaining, it also raises questions about the impact of such judgments on self-esteem and how people view relationships. Essentially, smash or pass is a popular, yet controversial way to engage in discussions about attraction in the digital age. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.